2011. Motherfuckers, I'm still here. The river flows. So broken. So the question is, what am I supposed to do? Not gonna give up on my dream. Fuck that. Fucking haters. This mixtape go out to you. I can't believe that she left me. She left me there to die. I wish I could apologize to her for doing something. I don't know what I did. I wish I knew what I did, cause if I knew what I did, then I would fix my mistakes. Cause every time I think I'm so great, but I guess I ain't so great. I thought I really didn't do anything to lose her, but I guess I must have fucked up. I can't believe it now, my heart's driving down the drain like a pizza cruiser. So I don't even know what the fuck to do. I tear my heart in two, and now I can't even remember what to say. I fucked up my lyrics the other day. I'm playing on this piano all day, that's not fucking gay. But I don't give a flying fuck what you haters have to say, cause this river flows all day and all night. But I can't believe how dead inside I am without her. So I don't even know what the hell I'm supposed to do without her. But I know I'm a legend of this rap game. I'm never ever gonna stop. My beats are beating out my heart. I fucking tear this rap game apart. I get the microphone, and now you know I'm the king of this rap game, motherfuckers. Fuck you haters, saying I don't know what I'm doing, saying you're never gonna make it in this rap game alive, saying that the rap game will eat you alive. Fuck that, I rule this industry, I got my connections, I'll be recording all day, no disconnection. Can't believe that she left me here now. She left me with my heart flowing on the ground of this blood and this pain. So what am I supposed to do? I guess I jump in for the train, and my life will be flashing in an hour or two. No cameras, no paparazzi, please. I fucking hate that shit. I can't believe my heart is destroyed. So what am I supposed to do? I'm not even deployed. I don't know what to do when my heart is destroyed in two. Know what to do, but I'm walking on the dark side. So call me Mr. Darth Vader. I thought she was always gonna be my favorite girl, and she was a skater. But now it's like, should I no way, and hell no way. I can't say see you later or see you the other day, because she won't be there for me, cause she moved on to another guy. This river flows down my heart, and these blood tears come drenching through my eyes. I rip out my heart for days and days, walking in this earth. Armageddon, bitch, I got a fucking curse. I don't know what I do. I'm not trying to curse the rap game. I'll be careful to the day that I die and drug free, homophobic king. I don't like gays, bi, lesbian, transsexuals. I'm never fucking real. This river flows out with my fucking lyrics, and I'm writing so much and writing so hard that my fingers literally are starting to bleed. And I'm starting to write so much that I'm writing with my fingers, and I write these lyrics to the motherfucking bones of my fingers. So what am I supposed to do? I'm falling apart, girl, I ain't nothing. I'm not motherfucking nothing without you. I never will be either. That's why I take my heart out and I shatter it in pieces.